Yo, what's up? It's your boy E2 Blurry, and we're back at it with another video for you guys today. Today, we're about to do a high taper on my client. Let's get right into it. So first things first, we're just gonna put these guidelines in his head. You know what I'm saying? It makes for me at least, it makes the haircut kind of quicker if you just punch in all the guidelines instead of just going back and forth. So that's what we're doing, is getting all those guidelines straight so we don't gotta go back and put guidelines later. Now I'm just going with my 1.5 guard, and I'm just attacking the bulk part of the haircut first. No, I'm not fading down. It's just, I don't know, something I wanted to try. Just try to attack the bulk first, and then now I'm going with my lever open, flipping out, going about half an inch on the haircut, and then, you know what I'm saying, yeah. And then we're just gonna close that notch, take out that bottom line. I know it's kind of hard to see, but yeah, we're taking it out. Now we're getting my zero guard, and we're opening it up, and we're just gonna soften up that middle line, and then we're gonna close it right up, knock it out. And as you can see, like I said, once you're in that pocket, that taper, you know, it just come together. I don't know what the science is behind it, but that's just what happens. It just comes together once you're in that pocket, and we locked in right now. Now I'm just going back with the 1.5. I'm just, you know what I'm saying, perfecting a little imperfection in the cut. Also, shout out my man, Crazy, Love Crazy, you know what I'm saying? He got this fire beat for y'all, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna drop his YouTube in the description. You know, if y'all want any beats by him, tap in with Crazy, you know what I'm saying? Beats fire.
You are listening to Crazy Radio.
On the way, now we are on our way to the back of the head, and same thing at the side, just more room. So we got that lever open, you know, flicking out about half an inch, closing the lever, you know what I'm saying, taking out the bottom line. Now I got the 1.5 guard, going up another half an inch above that one. Kind of make sure to blend into the bulk. You know what I'm saying? For me, that's kind of why I have trouble with, is trying to blend into the bulk. But I feel like I'm getting better at it. And then we got that zero guard close, flick out motion, flicking it on. That's like, never lie. Every time I'm in that pocket, you just see the fade just come to life. That pocket will get, it's different, man. I don't know what to say.
You are listening to Crazy Radio.
I'm saying, now on the left side, you know what I'm saying, left side. So I just kind of get to talk to you guys and, you know, update you guys about my life or whatever, you know what I'm saying. But not really update about my life, but just, you know, just talk to y'all. Let y'all get to know the personal side of each Blurry, you know what I'm saying. You know, basically, good news, PR this month, so that's nice to know. 4 months in, and, you know, we're just looking to grow and, you know, get better as a team, and always just remember that the only person that you should be in competition with is yourself. You know, you always just want to push yourself and make yourself better. Don't, like, it's this with anything. Like, no one's in competition, or you don't want to make it seem like you're in competition with other people, because if you make it seem like you're in competition with other people, then it's just gonna, this weird stigma just gonna be around. You know, you think you're better than this person thinks they're better than you. But as long as everyone's just trying to be the best version of themselves, then no one should complain. You know, if you're hard on yourself because you want to be better, that's better than being hard on yourself because you know you're better than this person, or, you know, vice versa. But, you know, that's all I gotta say is just focus on yourself. Like what a wise man once told me was, if you look at someone else's plate, you're never gonna eat. So, you know, just make sure that you're focused on your plate, or else you're not gonna eat. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm gonna say. You know what I'm saying? Hope y'all like that little baby yap session. And as you can see,
You are listening to Crazy.
that fade is blurry, or that taper blurry, by the way. But yeah, hope y'all like that mini little yap session I had. Hope you gained something from it. Alright, now we're going to the most crucial part for some people, and that is the lineup. You know, just start in the middle, work one way, no reason to rush it, you know what I'm saying? Just take your time and you're gonna see everything just fall into place.
You are listening to Crazy Radio.
Now, if you want to add just a little bit extra pop, you could spray enhancement. My client doesn't need it, but he did ask for it. So before anyone says anything, it was upon client request that he asked for the black spray before anyone wants to say anything. But yeah, just make sure you don't spray too much, because then there'll be a visible that, you know, you want to make it look as natural as possible, and that's what I tried my best to do here, to try to make it as natural as possible. You know what I'm saying? Make sure if you're spraying it, to not spray exactly on the hair. Spray half on the card, and then the other half will just go. And my client asked for the eyebrow slit, so, you know what I'm saying, just eyebrow slits, really just tap the razor, make the line. You know, no reason to overcomplicate things. And yeah, you know what I'm saying, showing him the cut. You know he looking saucy, you know what I'm saying. This is a finished product, you know what I'm saying. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you think that this cut is nice, you know what I'm saying? If you think there's something I could improve on, you know what I'm saying, just comment down below in the comments. These are the final results. YouTube Blurry, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.